Good afternoon, YouTube. This is Clarence again, and this afternoon I'll be installing underneath the back seat. There's a lot of open space, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna install. I ordered a storage compartment that goes under the seat that shapes like the seat shapes, and you'll never know it's there except for it looks like a container. So we're gonna be installing that. It shouldn't take me 15 or 20 minutes to get that installed, and I will be showing you throughout the process how to install it. I got it off Amazon. There's about, I saw 5 companies on Amazon that sells those things. So it's a bunch of them on Amazon, different companies that you can buy them from. And the ranges were from, I think the cheapest one I saw was like $99 all the way up to about $400 or $500, depending on which one you want. I think I got mine somewhere in the mid range of that. So we're gonna install that. I'm gonna take it out of the box, show it to you, show you what's underneath the seat, and we'll get back to it, okay? Okay, this is it right here. Let's see if I can show it to you. And this is what it looks like. It bolts in underneath the seat. And I'm right now currently under my seat. I'm assuming this is enough light. Under my seat is nothing but empty space. All this space right here is empty. I put some of my wrenches over there. I'm gonna be using in a few minutes. But this is my back seat, and then when I put stuff in here, it just slides all over the place. So that container seat gonna be right here, and then I just let my seat down like that. And this is it right here. It's gonna cover the whole width of the seat. Got the instructions that came with it. Got some hardware that goes with it. And here's a container here. Now, this container actually goes right here. So the container is gonna go there. It's a small box for bolts, nuts, small stuff. It's gonna go right here in that spot. And then here's a brace. And the brace goes, this brace will go here like this. And then of course I got another brace that's right here. And when I'm done with it, that's what it's gonna look like. And raise the seat up. Okay, I'm back, and for the most part I got everything bolted in. Like I said, these are gun racks to put your guns in. You just take the box out and put the rack back down on it, and it'll look like so. Okay. All it is a box, storage box, because we always need more space. Coming at you from the recapping department, this is it. This is mounted in, it's bolted in, and this is what it looks like. And that's what it looks like with the seat down. You never know it's there. And this one over here, same thing. Okay, that's it. That's it in a nutshell. Whew. Okay, that's pretty much it. I got to put in, it takes about 10 minutes. You could do it in 10 minutes. Takes longer when you're trying to make a YouTube video. So roughly 10 minutes. Thank you for watching. If you like it, give me a thumbs up. If you don't, give me a thumbs down. Subscribe to the channel if you can, and you'll get to see a whole lot of cool stuff coming out. I'm Clarence. Peace, and let's get you those things that go up underneath your seat. Okay.